Hello, welcome to the Maths Academy. We have to solve x power 2 to the whole power of 6 is equal to 3 power of 6, and we have to find the value of x. Solution: x power 2 to the whole power of 6 is equal to 3 to the power of 6. We know that a or b to the whole power of x is equal to a power x or b power x. So we can apply this rule here. This will become x to the power of 6 or 2 to the power of x, 2 to the power of 6 is equal to 3 power of 6. And we can write it as x power of 6 is equal to 3 power of 6 multiply 2 power of 6. This multiply here it mean 2 power 6 multiply at both sides. So here we can write it as a x power 6 is equal to 3 multiply 2 to the whole power of 6. We know that a power x multiply b power x can be written as a b to the whole power of x. So we can write it as 3 multiply 2 to the whole power of 6. So then x power 6 is equal to 3 multiply 2 is equal to 6 to the power of 6. And x power of 6 minus 6 to the power of 6 is equal to 0. Now we can write it as x to the power of 3 multiply 2 minus 6 to the power of 3 multiply 2, and we can write it as x to the power of 3 to the whole power of 2 minus 6 power of 3 to the whole power of 2. We know that x to the power of ab can be written as x to the power of a to the whole power of b. So we apply this rule here. This will become x power 3 to the whole power of 2 minus 6 power 3 to the whole power of 2. Here we have to solve this. We know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So this will act as a and this is just like b. So we have to apply this identity here. This will become x to the power of 3 plus 6 to the power of 3 into x to the power of 3 minus 6 to the power of 3 is equal to 0. Here we have two cases. Case 1 is x power 3 plus 6 power 3 is equal to 0, and here x power 3 minus 6 power 3 is equal to 0. This is case 1 and this is case 2. First of all, we have to solve the case 1 and then we will solve the case 2. So the case 1 is x power 3 plus 6 power 3 is equal to 0. We can solve this by the identity, by applying the identity a cube plus b to the power of 3 is equal to a plus b bracket a square minus ab plus b square. We have to apply this identity here. So this will become x plus 6 bracket x square minus 6x plus 6 square, x plus 6 x square minus 6x plus 36. Here the one part is x plus 6 is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 6. The one value is minus 6, and here x square minus 6x plus 36. We have to apply here the quadratic formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac or 2a. We have to apply the quadratic formula here. So x is equal to minus b, b is minus x, minus into minus 6 plus minus b square minus 6 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is 36 or 2, a is equal to 1. X is equal to minus multiply minus is equal to plus 6 plus minus 6 multiply minus 6 is equal to plus 36 minus 4 multiply 36. x is equal to 6 plus minus or 2, 36, 1 minus 4 or 2. X is equal to 6 plus minus 36, 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3 or 2. X is equal to 6 plus minus 36 multiply 3 multiply minus 1. We can write it as x is equal to 6 plus minus square root 36 multiply square root of 3 multiply square root of minus 1 or 2. X is equal to 6 plus minus, this will become 6 multiply 3 multiply square root of minus 1. We know that minus 1 square root is equal to I. So here we put I in place of minus 1. X is equal to 6 plus minus square root of 3 I. X is equal to, here we have to common 2 divided by 2 divided by 2. We have to common 2, this will become 3 plus minus 3 into 3I or 2. To cancel with 2. And the x is equal to 3 plus minus 3 square root of 3I. So this is the another value of x. Now we have to solve the case 2. We know that the case 2 is, look at here, the case 2 is x power 3 minus 6 power 3 is equal to 0. This is case 2. Now we have to solve the case 2. X to the power of 3 minus 6 to the power of 3 is equal to 0. Here we have to use the identity a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b square. We have to use this identity here, so this will become x plus 6 into x square, sorry, x minus 6, here a minus b, so this is the x minus 6 into x square plus 6x plus 6 square, x minus 6 into x square plus 6x plus 36. Here we have two cases. The first part is x minus 6 is equal to 0 and x is equal to plus 6. So one value of x is 6, and here x square plus 6x plus 36 is equal to 0. We have to solve this by quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac or 2a. We have to put the values here. X is equal to minus b is 6 plus minus b square 6 square minus 4, here a is 1 and the c is 36 or 2a. X is equal to minus 6 plus minus 36 minus 4 multiply 36 or a is equal to 1 or 2. X is equal to minus 6 plus minus 36 is common, 1 minus 4 or 2. X is equal to minus 6 plus minus 36 into minus 3 or 2. X is equal to minus 6 plus minus 36 multiply 3 multiply minus 1. X is equal to minus 6 plus minus 36 square root multiply square root of 3 multiply square root of minus 1. X is equal to minus 6 or 2, and here is also our 2. So this will become, this is 6 multiply square root of 3, here square root of minus 1 is equal to I or 2. X is equal to, here we have to common the 2, minus 3 plus minus 3 square root of 3i over 2. 2 to cancel with each other, and we get x is equal to minus 3 plus minus 3 square root of 3i. So this is another value of x. Now from case 1, the one value of x is minus 6, and the other value is plus 3 plus minus 3 square root of 3i. So this is from x is equal to minus 6 and 3 plus 3 square root of 3i and 3 minus 3 square root of 3i. Now the answer from case 2 is this is the case 2, and here the one answer is 6 and the other answer is x is equal to minus 3 plus minus 3 square root of 3i. In case 2, x is equal to 6 and minus 3 plus minus square root of 3i and minus 3 into square root of 3i. So this is the solution of the question. X over 2 to the whole power of 6 is equal to 3 to the power of 6, and the value of x are these. Look at here. Thank you for watching.